Shemai, this is a ukulele tutorial for The Lion Sleeps Tonight, and there is a matching play along video for this on my Ukulaliens channel, and I'll drop a link in the description below. So first of all, I'm going to go through the chords and show you some strumming patterns that'll work. So I'll go through the chords, only 3 of them, nice and easy. The first chord is a C, so it is a ring finger, 3rd fret on the A string, and our C chord should sound like that. So your F chord, 1st fret, 1st finger on the E string, and then you put your middle finger across, 2nd fret on the G string. So your F chord should sound okay. And remember, if it's not sounding nice, press your fingers harder. All right? For your F, and then your G7 chord, you move your middle finger across 1 string, so it's 2nd fret on the C string, and then the tricky bit, you tuck your ring finger across, so it goes 2nd fret onto the A string, so your G7 should sound, all right, that might take a little bit of practice to get that one, G7. So the strum patterns for the song, this is one of the first songs we learn in school, so very often it's absolute beginners playing it. So I suggest at that point 2 down strums per chord. So it would sound something like this. Okay, so that one's nice and straightforward. If you're feeling a bit more confident, down, down, up, down, down, up works really well and should sound something like this. Down, down. And then if you're feeling really brave, try a chuck or a chunk strum. If you're not sure how to do that, I've already done a video on the chuck strum. Go and check that out. I'll pop a link to that in the description below as well. And it would sound something, so imagine you're going to go down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck. All right? Nice and lightly all the time, and then following the chord pattern C, F, C, G7, it should sound something like in school, when we get to the verse bit, in the jungle, sometimes we just put 1 strum. So we go, in the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. All right, it really depends on what you are happy and confident playing with. Don't forget as well, it's entirely up to you. If you want to change the strumming pattern, no worries at all. I'm just suggesting these if you're not sure what to do. So there we are. Go and check out the actual play along. It's far more fun than trying to sing along with me. If you've got a comment or a question, please feel free to leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new play along tutorials. Thank you for watching.